Hi and welcome to another Blender how-to video. So in this video, I'm just going to show you how to go between your different options here, your viewport shading options. So I think this is extra wire edge, then this is solid mode, and this is like material mode, and then this is like your render. So just press C, and then you have these options. And you can either press the buttons or click them here. Yeah, that's pretty much it. And you can have these two are independent of these four. So if you have this on, you can select any of these four along with this one. So just a reminder so you don't get confused. All right, thanks for listening.